If you ever need to sample a color directly from your image while working in Gimp, this quick trick will save you a lot of time. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the eyedropper shortcut to pick any color straight from the canvas without stopping your workflow. This is a super useful method when you want to match colors exactly, whether you're painting, retouching, designing graphics, or cleaning up an image. So if you find this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Gimp tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your image in Gimp and make sure you're using any brush-based tool, such as the paintbrush tool, pencil tool, or another painting tool. The good news is you do not need to switch tools manually to sample a color. While you are actively using your brush tool, simply hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Ctrl, your cursor will instantly switch to the eyedropper icon. That tells you Gimp is ready to sample a color from the canvas. Now, move your cursor over the exact pixel location you want to sample. This is important because the color you pick will come directly from that spot on your image. Once you've found the color you want, click on the canvas. Gimp will clone that exact color hue and set it as your current foreground color, so you can continue painting with the same shade right away. This is especially useful when you want perfect color matching without guessing or manually entering values. If you want to keep working quickly, just repeat the same shortcut anytime you need a new color. Hold Ctrl, watch the cursor change to the eyedropper, click the pixel you want, and keep painting. It's a fast and efficient workflow that makes editing in Gimp much smoother. And that's it. You now know how to sample colors directly from the canvas in Gimp using the eyedropper shortcut. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Gimp tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.